Hey, it's Jerry with KMJ. Welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to do a quick review and install of a set of front drive wheels that fit our Troy-Bilt TB240 lawnmower. Hey, quit down there. These replacement wheels were sent to us by Ranwin from Amazon to try out and review. We're going to show you how to install, how they perform, and if they're worth your time. So let's get the package open. Pretty beefy. So that's a wheel. Let's get one off the lawnmower here and see how they compare. Pop this cover off with the screwdriver. They are slightly different because they have this cover, so we'll see. Yeah, it's a 9/16. That should slide right off there. Okay, let's take them over to the table and compare them. Okay, so we brought them in the house so we get out of that wind. So let's check the sizes of them. That's an 8-inch wheel. That is also an 8-inch wheel. They both have the metal collar on for the shaft, but this is a wheel that came on it. You see how thin that collar is? This thing has a nice beefy collar in there, metal collar. Well, let's check the size of those. They look the same. I got a 1/2 inch on that one. I got a 1/2 inch on that one, so they're both the same. I got a 2-inch wide. I got a 2-inch wide on that one. Let's see how that plastic feels. Get something to scrape it with. Make sure it's the same hardness. I want to scratch on the outside. This feels harder, so I don't see no numbers on it, but this definitely seems harder. And something I'm noticing just from handling these, maybe move you up a little bit, this rubber feels nice and pliable, like it'll grip, where this thing is just hard plastic that came on it. This is actually a rubber wheel. So that does feel like it would get more grip. The traction looks similar. The tread pattern looks very similar. Oops, we're getting bugs coming out of that wheel. Bugs. Other than that, they look very similar. I think I like the rubber on this newer one. It's got a heavier collar in it. I like that. Let's get these two new ones on the lawnmower and see how they perform. Okay, let's get these new wheels on. They'll go on just the way the other ones come off. Slide it on there, get that gear lined up. And you can replace this too, if that ever wears out on you. That one still looks pretty good. Little rounded. Probably could flip them around, but okay, that slid in there. Put the nut back on. Just snug it up a little bit. Put this other, check that gear, that looks okay. Make sure you start that so you don't cross thread it. Snug her up a little. Let's get her down and test her out. I'm gonna have to say that I like the way they dig. They seem not to slide as much as the other wheels. These being rubber, got into some mud over there. I think some dog doo-doo too, but yeah, they definitely seem like they grab really well. Where them other ones were just hard plastic. And these things just seem like they want to slide, where these things seem to want to grip. Just like kids' plastic toys. So I'd recommend them. I'll put a link in the description. Like I said, they sent these to us to review. I think they're fine. They're just as good, if not better, than the original ones. And yeah, if you like them, give them a shot. Like, comment, subscribe on the video, all that good stuff. And we will catch you on the next one.